Allergy by Abbie, Kendal, and Hayley. What are allergies? Allergies are abnormal reactions of the immune system that occur in response to otherwise harmless substances. Examples of allergies are fur, pollen, dust, and particular foods. What is the inflammatory response to allergies? When you are first exposed to an allergic trigger, it stimulates B cells to produce allergy plasma cells. These plasma cells will then produce allergy antibodies called IgEs. These IgEs will then bind to mast cells. The mast cells will secrete histamines, which trigger an inflammatory response such as a runny or stuffy nose, itchy or watery eyes, and/or inflammation of the throat. Let's review. IgE is the antibody that indicates the release of a chemical signal. The chemical signals released by IgEs are histamines. The cells that release histamines are called mast cells. Effects of the release of histamines may be runny or stuffy nose, itchy or watery eyes, and/or inflammation of the throat. A medical treatment used to alleviate allergy symptoms are antihistamines. Antihistamines used to treat allergies. When your body comes into contact with whatever your allergic trigger is, it makes chemicals called histamines. They cause the tissue in your nose to swell, your nose and eyes to run, and your eyes to itch. Antihistamines reduce or block histamines so they stop allergy symptoms. Examples of antihistamines are nasal sprays, eye drops, Benadryl, Claritin, and Zyrtec. Anaphylactic shock. Anaphylactic shock is a sudden, life-threatening allergic reaction characterized by dilation of the blood vessels with a sharp drop in blood pressure and bronchial spasm with shortness of breath. Anaphylactic shock is caused by exposure to a foreign substance to which the individual has been previously exposed. The substances act as antigens, provoking a preliminary immune response during the first exposure that results in a full-blown immediate response during the secondary exposure. Emergency treatments, including epinephrine injections, must be administered to prevent death. What are the effects of histamines and what is its importance?